Technology is evolving faster than ever, bringing us smarter, more efficient gadgets that make life easier. From high-tech home solutions to game-changing accessories, we've found some of the coolest must-have devices that are worth every penny. Get ready to discover gadgets that will upgrade your daily routine in ways you never imagined. Enjoy CAF quality lattes and cappuccinos at home with this electric milk frother and steamer. It creates rich, creamy foam in seconds, perfect for coffee lovers. With one-touch operation, it's easy to use and automatically shuts off for safety. The non-stick interior ensures easy cleaning, and its compact size makes storage a breeze. Upgrade your coffee game with barista-style drinks at the push of a button. Illuminate dark spaces with these wireless LED motion sensor lights. Designed for closets, stairways, and hallways, they automatically turn on when motion is detected. With battery-powered operation, no wiring is needed. The ultra-bright LEDs provide energy-efficient lighting, and the easy installation makes them perfect for any home. Enhance safety and convenience with these smart, hands-free lights. Keeping your space spotless has never been easier with this cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. Its lightweight, ergonomic design allows you to reach every corner, from car interiors to tight crevices in your home. Featuring a powerful suction motor, this vacuum easily picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair. The rechargeable battery provides extended cleaning time, and the washable filter makes maintenance hassle-free. Say goodbye to bulky vacuums. This portable powerhouse is all you need for quick, efficient cleaning. Upgrade your phone photography with this clip-on camera lens kit. Featuring wide-angle, macro, and fisheye lenses, it instantly enhances your mobile shots with professional quality effects. With an easy clip-on design, these lenses fit most smartphones, allowing you to capture stunning landscapes, close-up details, and creative perspectives. Whether you're a social media enthusiast, a vlogger, or a casual photographer, this kit turns your smartphone into a powerful camera. Turn any ordinary appliance into a smart device with this mini smart plug. Controlled via an app, you can power devices on and off from anywhere with your smartphone. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for hands-free voice control. Set schedules, automate your lights, and save on energy bills, all with a simple tap. Perfect for making your home smarter, more convenient, and energy efficient. Breathe cleaner, healthier air with this HEPA air purifier. Designed to remove allergens, dust, and odors, it ensures fresh air circulation in your home or office. With a 3-stage filtration system, it captures 99.97% of airborne particles, including pet dander and smoke. Its whisper-quiet operation makes it perfect for bedrooms or workspaces. Enjoy a healthier living environment with cleaner air every day. Take precise measurements for perfect recipes with this smart digital kitchen scale. Featuring a high-precision sensor, it accurately weighs ingredients down to the gram. With an easy-to-read LCD display and multiple unit conversions, this scale is ideal for baking, meal prep, and portion control. Its slim, compact design makes storage easy, while the stainless steel surface ensures durability. Cook like a pro with accurate measurements every time. Say goodbye to traditional lighters and upgrade to this USB rechargeable lighter. Using Plasma Arc technology, it ignites instantly without flames, fuel, or hassle. This windproof, flameless lighter is perfect for outdoor adventures, candle lighting, grills, and even emergency kits. The sleek, modern design is both stylish and functional, making it a long-lasting, eco-friendly alternative to disposable lighters. Simply charge via USB and you're ready to light up anytime, anywhere. Upgrade your hygiene routine with this auto soap dispenser. Designed for touch-free operation, it dispenses the perfect amount of soap, minimizing waste and reducing the spread of germs. Its sleek, water-resistant design makes it perfect for bathrooms and kitchens. Compatible with both liquid soap and hand sanitizer, this dispenser ensures a mess-free, convenient experience. With an adjustable volume control, you get just the right amount of soap every time. Keep your hands clean effortlessly. Blend your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere with this portable blender. Equipped with high-speed stainless steel blades, it effortlessly crushes fruits, ice, and protein powder for the perfect smoothie on the go. The USB rechargeable battery offers convenience, making it ideal for gym sessions, office use, or travel. With a leak-proof design, you can enjoy fresh, homemade drinks without any mess, stay healthy and energized no matter where life takes you. Make opening wine bottles effortless with this electric wine opener set. With one-touch operation, it removes corks and seconds without any effort, making it perfect for wine lovers and entertainers. This all-in-one set includes a foil cutter for easy bottle opening, an aerator to enhance wine flavor, and a vacuum stopper to keep your wine fresh longer. The sleek, rechargeable design ensures you're always ready to pour the perfect glass. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening, this opener makes serving wine elegant and hassle-free. Boost productivity and declutter your desk with this wireless charging LED desk lamp. Featuring adjustable brightness settings, it provides optimal lighting for reading, working, or studying. The built-in Qi wireless charger allows you to power up your smartphone effortlessly. Plus, its sleek, foldable design makes it perfect for any workspace. With energy-efficient LED bulbs, this lamp delivers bright, flicker-free illumination while consuming minimal power. Declutter and organize your space effortlessly with these multi-purpose collapsible storage bins. Designed for maximum versatility, they provide easy foldable storage for clothes, toys, kitchen essentials, and more. Their stackable and durable build ensures long-term use, and built-in handles make them easy to carry. When not in use, simply fold them flat for space-saving convenience. Perfect for closets, laundry rooms, offices, or garages, these bins help you keep everything neatly stored and within reach. Eliminate dead zones and enjoy seamless internet coverage with this high-speed Wi-Fi range extender. It expands your existing Wi-Fi signal, delivering fast and stable connectivity to every corner of your home. With dual-band technology, it reduces buffering and improves performance for streaming, gaming, and video calls. The simple plug-and-play setup ensures instant connectivity without complicated installations. Say goodbye to weak signals and experience uninterrupted high-speed internet wherever you need it. Enjoy late-night reading without disturbing others with this rechargeable LED book light. Its adjustable brightness settings provide eye-friendly illumination, making it perfect for extended reading sessions. Designed with a lightweight, flexible clip-on design, it attaches securely to books, e-readers, or even headboards. The built-in rechargeable battery offers long-lasting use, making it a must-have for book lovers. Whether you're traveling, relaxing in bed, or studying, this book light ensures you always have the perfect lighting conditions for reading. Tired of tangled cables and messy workspaces? This smart cable management box keeps chargers, power strips, and wires neatly organized in one sleek, clutter-free design. Its heat-resistant, durable construction ensures safe storage of power adapters and excess cords, reducing trip hazards and protecting against dust buildup. The modern, compact design blends seamlessly into any workspace or home setup. Perfect for offices, entertainment centers, and nightstands, this box transforms chaos into order with ease. A goodbye to overcooked or undercooked meals with this smart digital meat thermometer. Designed for precision, it provides instant temperature readings, ensuring your steaks, poultry, or fish are cooked to perfection every time. With a clear LCD display, waterproof design, and ultra-fast response time, you get accuracy within seconds. The foldable probe makes it easy to store, and an automatic shut-off feature conserves battery life. Whether you're grilling, baking, or making candy, this kitchen essential takes out the guesswork, making cooking effortless and stress-free. Brew barista quality espresso anywhere with this portable espresso maker. Using manual pressure technology, it extracts rich, aromatic coffee in seconds without the need for electricity or batteries. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel, camping, hiking, or office use. The easy-to-use operation ensures a perfect espresso shot every time, bringing coffee house quality wherever you go. For coffee enthusiasts who want great espresso on the move, this is the ultimate gadget. Monitor and protect your home effortlessly with this smart home security camera. Equipped with 1080p HD resolution, night vision, and motion detection alerts, it keeps your home safe day and night. With two-way audio, you can listen and talk to family members or visitors directly through the camera. The device supports both cloud storage and local SD card recording, so your footage remains secure at all times. Integration with Alexa and Google Assistant allows for hands-free voice control, making it a smart addition to any home security setup. Achieve perfectly cooked meals every time with this stainless steel digital meat thermometer. Its instant read technology provides precise temperature readings in just seconds, making overcooked or undercooked food a thing of the past. With a foldable probe and waterproof design, this thermometer is easy to use and clean, ideal for grilling, baking, and frying. The large LCD display ensures readability in all lighting conditions. Whether you're a home chef or a BBQ master, this tool guarantees delicious, perfectly cooked food every time. Stay cool and comfortable wherever you are with this compact USB desk fan. Designed for quiet yet powerful airflow, it's perfect for office desks, bedside tables, or even for travel. With 3 adjustable speed settings, you can personalize your cooling experience, whether you need a gentle breeze or a stronger airflow. The USB-powered design makes it incredibly convenient. Just plug it into a laptop, power bank, or wall adapter. Its adjustable tilt allows you to direct the airflow exactly where you need it, ensuring constant comfort during hot days or stuffy indoor spaces. This fan is lightweight, portable, and built for everyday use. Never struggle with your phone while driving again. This universal car phone holder provides a secure, hands-free solution for navigation, calls, and music control. Designed for easy one-hand operation, it features a 360-degree rotating mount, allowing you to position your phone at the perfect viewing angle. The strong suction cup ensures a stable grip on your dashboard or windshield, even on bumpy roads. Compatible with most smartphones, this holder is an essential accessory for safer, distraction-free driving. Upgrade your car setup today. Keep your phone secure and accessible while driving with this magnetic phone mount. With an ultra-strong magnetic grip, it holds your device firmly in place, ensuring a stable and safe viewing experience. The 360-degree rotation allows for easy positioning, letting you switch between portrait and landscape mode effortlessly. Designed for quick and tool-free installation, it attaches securely to your dashboard or event. Enjoy hands-free navigation, calls, and music control with this sleek and durable car mount. Brighten up dark spaces effortlessly with this motion sensor LED closet light. It automatically turns on when motion is detected and shuts off after an activity, making it a smart and energy-efficient lighting solution. Easy to install with adhesive backing or magnetic mounting, it's ideal for closets, cabinets, hallways, and pantries. The rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance without constant replacements. Say goodbye to fumbling in the dark. This motion-activated light makes every space instantly accessible. Enhance your workspace with this adjustable laptop stand, designed to improve posture and comfort during long work hours. Its ergonomic height adjustments help reduce neck and back strain, making it essential for remote work setups. The ventilated aluminum design promotes airflow to prevent overheating, keeping your laptop cool and efficient. Lightweight yet sturdy, it folds down for easy portability, making it great for home, office, or travel. Upgrade your workstation with this sleek, modern laptop stand for better productivity and comfort.